In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can get Dropbox on your desktop. If you're used to accessing Dropbox through your web browser, like Google Chrome, but want the convenience of having it directly on your desktop, this guide will walk you through how to make that happen easily. First and foremost, we need to download the Dropbox desktop app. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Google search bar. Type in Dropbox and press Enter. You're likely to see a variety of results, but what you're looking for is the official download link from Dropbox.com. As you scroll through the results, keep an eye out for Dropbox's official site to ensure you're downloading from a safe source. Once you've located the download link, click on it to proceed to Dropbox's website page. On this page, there should be an option to install or download Dropbox. Clicking this button will initiate the download process for the Dropbox setup file. Once you click the Install button, a file will begin downloading, and you may see an option to open Dropbox again. By clicking this, you can monitor the progress of your download. Now that you've downloaded the setup file, it's time to install Dropbox. Find the file location on your computer, which is often in your Downloads folder unless specified otherwise, and double-click on the setup file to run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. It's fairly intuitive, usually requiring just a few clicks to accept terms and proceed. After the installation process is complete, Dropbox should automatically open on your desktop. To begin using Dropbox, you'll need to log in with your account details. Enter your email and password, and you'll have access to your Dropbox files. The beauty of having Dropbox on your desktop is that it seamlessly syncs your data. Any files or changes you make will automatically upload to your Dropbox account, allowing you to manage your files effortlessly between devices. This feature not only helps in saving space on your local drive, but also secures your data in the cloud. That wraps up today's tutorial on getting Dropbox onto your desktop. I hope you found this guide straightforward and informative. If it was helpful, please take a moment to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on bell notifications to stay updated on more tech tips and tricks. We'd also love to hear from you, so feel free to leave a comment or a review. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.